I made this short EDM loop with bass, vocals, and drums. Let's have a quick listen.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
I like it, but I think the vocal could be more interesting. So I'm going to head over to my effects library on the top right of the screen and type in my search bar to find some delay. Then I'm going to add it to my vocal track. What delay does is add rhythmic repeats to the sound that it's affecting. Let's have a quick listen. I'm just going to solo that voice for the moment.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
Even on the default settings, it's really, really nice. I'm going to put a little low cut in there so it doesn't catch the lower end of the voice there. Just makes it a little bit cleaner. Mix adjusts how affected the vocal is going to be, and decay is how long it's going to echo out. So I'm going to just lighten that a little bit so it doesn't overlap itself so frequently. And maybe the time up a little bit so the delay's a little bit longer. Let's have another listen.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
A bit long there, I feel. I'm going to make that shorter.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
You can also hit this note button here, and what that does is lock the time to our grid. So now we can choose between 8th notes, 16th notes, etc. Let's go really long. You can see as I'm dragging that pot around what it's going to be applying to the delay. So let's try 16th.
I wait for you.
Really short.
I'm waiting for you. I wait for you. I wait.
Much better. In context. So without.
I wait for you. I'm waiting for you.
And with.
I wait for you. I'm waiting.